world, it's me, Japney, and welcome to my channel, Japney's World. And today we're making cheese sandwiches for dinner. So I was thinking I could invite you along to how to make cheese sandwiches. So before we go into the video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. So let's go into the video. Ba-choom! Okay, I'm in the kitchen now, and I'll tell you the ingredients. So you would need red pepper, mushrooms, onions, and grinded cheese. So I'll show you these ingredients. Also, you would also need some this type of pepper, and you would need salt. Well, I said that you need a red pepper, but you could actually use any pepper, but we decided to use red. And also, you would need some bread and butter. So my mom is doing the cooking, and I decided to help her. So as you could see, she's spreading the butter on the bread. And after that, she has to add the cheese. So I'm going to add the cheese. And I'm adding the cheese. Boom. So I love cheese, so I'm going to just have some cheese. Okay, continuing. Okay, after that, we will need to add some mushrooms. As you can see, she's adding the mushrooms. And you need to do on both sides of the bread. And then next, we're going to add the onions. But when you look at the onion, it makes you cry. Oh well. But we need to be happy. Always stay positive. So, we added all the mushrooms. Now we're just going to add the onions. As you could see that she's adding the onions. And she added the onions here. They're looking delicious so far. After the onions, we're supposed to add the red peppers. I'm going to also help. Okay, after we added the red pepper, we need to use almost all the vegetables. So I'm going to help with that. So I'm going to put some mushrooms here. But we're not going to use all the vegetables. We need to make it really healthy and tasty. So as you can see, this is how it's going so far. And then after that, you have to add the salt. As you can see, my mom is adding the salt. And you have to do it on both of the bread. And then after that, you have to add the peppers. Okay, we're done doing that. Now we add some double cheese. So we're adding more cheese on top of it. As you can see, my mom is also doing that. I think I've said that lots of times. The sandwich is already looks delicious, and I really want to eat it now. But I can't because they have to be cooked. And then you have to join them together. So now the breads are joined. As you can see, we did 2 breads. And then after that, as you can see, we already put some bread in. We already put some bread in the bread maker. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, and they're kind of getting cooked. So after they get cooked, then we have to put the bread that the sandwich we made together. And then we put it in the bread sandwich maker. Yeah. This is how they look. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Anyways, safety. For the young fans of me, be safety. Because... Be safe because I think my sentence didn't make because I said be safety. Oh well, you have to be safe because the sandwich maker is really, really hot. So that's why my mom's doing it. So as you can see, she's putting it in the sandwich maker. Now we just have to wait until it gets ready. But these are the sandwiches that already got ready. I'm going to try some. Dance party, the dance party. Oh yeah, dance party, dance party. Oh yeah. Okay, my mom is cutting the sandwiches because then they could turn into sandwiches. But they are sandwiches. They are really big, so we have to half them, as you can see. I want to eat them now. Now I'm going to have a taste test. So this is the bread. I'm going to see if it tastes good. Delicious. It tastes very, very good. I'm going to enjoy eating this. So bye and see you tomorrow next week for my next video. Bye.